Man, all the cryptocurrencies that are popping off right now, you ain't seen nothing yet. You can bet some serious money that this thing is going a lot higher, and we can probably take this thing all the way out. I mean, Ethereum is going a lot higher, and a lot faster too. We're gonna see these targets met or exceeded within February.
Today, for the Bitcoin price with DavinciJ15, in that emergency episode, we are going to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, because right now in the charts there is evidence that Bitcoin is right now kind of confirmed to be off to the races. We will talk about that, about one exact price target here in the immediate short term, and we will also talk about Ethereum, which completely lost its mind here, according to DavinciJ15, breaking through the most important resistance here. So also for Ethereum, we will talk about a very specific price target here in the short and mid-term. So now, without any further ado, we want to come to the most important question of today. Once again, DavinciJ15 straight out of Mexico. How are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing great. Having a good time here in Acapulco and I'm meeting a lot of cool people. And yeah, it's just a great time here. So you guys definitely got to come down if you can. So, oh man, I got some good news about cryptocurrencies, man, and especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. But man, all the cryptocurrencies that are popping off right now, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Whoa, all right, let's get straight into it. Let's pull up the charts. We will have some information about a meetup or so probably in the end. Let's talk about all of that in the end. Right now, let's pull up the charts, Da Vinci, and let's see what you have to say about the prices. Guys, we can tell you already, better sit down, better fasten your seatbelts, because these information which are going to be dropped on your heads today, I mean, just sit down and watch it yourself. All right, Da Vinci, let's do it.
All right, so we're all excited here. Now, the good news is, right, as we were saying yesterday, we're dropping off, right? We have like this 4-hour candle looked like it was going to be like, oh my God, and the end of Bitcoin is going to fall through the roof, fall through here and break this bottom here, this bottom wick. And I thought, okay, well, I'm going to move my stops up here. And we got this downward movement, and it didn't quite break the wick. So, and then what we get on this next 4-hour candle? A reversal. This is a very big reversal, especially since it confirmed on this candle over here. And this is called railroad tracks, right? These two 4-hour candles, which are practically matching, are called railroad tracks, and it's very, very bullish.
It's a very powerful candle formation, guys.
Exactly. And and we've closed above the 13 EMA. So all the traders out there are looking to go long, right, with this market. So you can bet some serious money that this thing is going a lot higher, and we can probably take this thing all the way out. Let's add some. Let's just do a AB equals CD, because that's where most of the traders are looking for.
Yes, very quickly for all newbies watching now. Of course, don't bet the farm, don't bet your whole house. Bet only in your trades what you are willing to lose in the worst case, of course. And don't misconfuse your holding portfolio with your trading portfolio. The holding portfolio should be actually bigger than your trading portfolio if you are not a full-blown, I mean, top 0.5% trader in the world. Just wanted to put that out there, especially for all the newbies watching. So yeah, Da Vinci, let's check out the price targets.
So here's one price target right here. We could draw more than just this, but this is probably one of the price targets that traders are looking for. Now, notice that it's not moving that up that high, but they are in it for the short-term gains, right? They're not in it for like the big move. So this would be the first price target that you're looking for. Another one we could draw that is possible.
The $10,850 level, isn't it also the golden pocket price level from 14,000 to the bottom?
$11,058 is the golden pocket. Right,
it's very close though.
Yeah, it's very close, very close. So this is one target that's possible. And then if we clone this is probably going to give us a huge target. And let's move that right here. Wow. I wonder if that brings us to the 61.8. That would be beautiful if it does. So let's go to the daily and see where this thing takes us. It takes us into the middle of the reload zone. This is the zone where all the traders are going to be taking shorts and taking profits and shorting the market like crazy, looking for shorts opportunity. I don't see any kind of like, let's take a look. If we have any kind of like daily divergence coming into play, yeah, we got a little bit of divergence, but it hasn't been confirmed yet. These divergences haven't been confirmed. So we don't have a confirmed daily divergence. So that's a good thing. So Bitcoin could go even a lot higher. It could go way past the 61.8 and break into the 78.6 before we actually see a turnaround. So this is great news for Bitcoin and people who are holding Bitcoins. They're going to see some serious profits going forward.
So we are seeing the next target being at 10,800. However, then we have the 11,500 and 12,200 also as possible targets within February, even, right?
Exactly, within February. Wow. So yeah, I know we're gonna see these targets met or exceeded within February. So that's great. That's great. How Bitcoin is really pumping. It's always good to be in a bull market, right? So yes. You never want to be in a bear market, right?
Exactly. Nobody cares. Exactly. Wow, I mean, everyone who's watching this channel, you know we are Moon Boys, so it's amazing to finally see all these green candles and the bears are starting to cry. So yeah, Da Vinci, I know you don't have so much time. You're going to the Ron Paul speech, which is amazing. I mean, everyone loves Ron Paul, right? So let's go straight into Ethereum because we have some very interesting stuff to cover there as well. Indeed, it is maybe even much more interesting than Bitcoin right now from the charts, judging from the charts.
Yeah, I mean, speaking about lots of green candles, take a look at Ethereum, Mike. That's green candle city here.
Yeah, man. It's like the exact opposite of discount city.
Exactly. I mean, it has lost its mind. So I hope you're not the buyer up here. You should not be buying up here. That's for the dumb money, right? And everybody who watches our channel is smart money, and they're not chasing green wicks. They look for other markets to buy into, right? And because there's lots of other markets to buy into. Yeah, I mean, it has absolutely skyrocketed. I think it's like, this is a daily candle. Let's see where the Bollinger Band is. Has it closed outside the Bollinger Band? It's the Bollinger bottom. The top of the Bollinger Band is 0.026. So it's outside the band today, and it has to close later on today. I think, what time? I think in another couple hours or something like that. It's going to close this candle. Man, wow, it's going to close. This is going to be like 1, 2, 3 candles outside the band. It's dangerous. You're in dangerous territory here. Yes. If you want to chase this market, you are liable to get wrecked. So yes. Remember what I've said. I always say at the end of the show, don't get wrecked. Don't be buying this thing up here.
Exactly, guys. Especially if you are in and going in with leverage on longing Ethereum right now. However, Da Vinci, we talked about Ethereum breaking key resistance here just today or yesterday. We showed it here in the beginning of the episode. Can we maybe zoom out a little bit and talk about what that means for the price structure, for the market structure of Ethereum, and especially what it means for the next up and coming targets, not in the short term, like talking about tomorrow or whatever, but talking about the next few days and weeks? Yeah,
this is a very positive sign. Doesn't mean you have to buy up here. You could always wait for a pullback, and it might check the resistance. Like it might go up a little bit higher, and then come back down and check this resistance that it broke out from, and now it's going to be support. Because once past resistance becomes previous support, so it could most likely, there's a high probability that it's going to come back, check this, and then go higher. So if you're interested in buying, I think you should buy in this area, which is around the 0.025 Bitcoins, right? So that's where you should be interested in buying this coin, because anything else is just suicide. You don't know what it's going to do. It could go a lot higher. It could just come back down, and it could even break this and scare you a little bit, and then come back up and then go higher. But either way, Ethereum is going a lot higher, and a lot faster too.
All right. So guys, always remember, if you are trading short-term on leverage, Being 3 consecutive days out of the Bollinger Band just increases the odds significantly of us retracing down in the immediate short term. So yeah, I know you don't have so much time. Do you want to cover something else before we wrap it up?
Yes, let's just cover one of the things like we talked about the chain link on the last video, and look, it already taken off, right? Again, right? I told you guys that this is going a lot higher, but it's too late to buy. Yeah, unless you're trading, right? And traders could trade this, but the average person should not be buying up markets. It's too dangerous. They don't know when to sell, and if you have a plan on when you're going to sell, yeah, maybe you should be. Maybe you can buy these FOMO and FOMO in, but you got to have a plan to sell because you will be holding the bag when this thing finally does retrace. Yes. Okay, and that's the most important thing. Don't want people to be bag holders. I want the people to be winners.
Exactly.
Next thing, right, is that another thing, right, you can do is always do whenever a cryptocurrency takes off, especially it's a not so good coin like a fourth tier coin that we call shite coins. Whenever they take off, trust me, just draw your fibs, enter at the 61.8. You could have got filled here, and look, you're in profit. Same with this coin right over here. You could have gotten filled, right? You draw your 61.8, you got to fill, right? Sure, it was not the best. You could have gotten a lower price, but who cares? You're still in profit, right? Because it came right back up. Again, you'll see it right here. These wicks, they happen a lot with these coins that have low volumes. If you're interested in any of these low volume coins, yeah, you draw your fibs. You do not buy up markets. You just buy it on a retracement, and that's it. And you will get your fill. And look at that profit, pure profit.
Yes. The 61.8 actually works pretty well in crypto. So yeah, DaVinci, thank you so much for dropping that. Everyone watching right now, we know you are very interested in Bitcoin, but especially also in Ethereum and altcoins. If you're watching, just scroll down here on your laptop, on your computer, on your phone. Go to the comment section here down below on this video and leave your favorite altcoins here in the comment section down below. Then upvote each other's comments where you find your favorite altcoin, and we will take the most upvoted comment here and cover it in our next altcoin trading episode with DavinciJ15. Also, if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins on leverage, there is one exchange which is having not these crazy wicks. You heard about BitMEX, where you had a crazy wick here to the downside on XRP and everyone got wiped out. Well, this happened one time on Bybit, but they refunded everyone. So actually, Bybit so far, everything was absolutely perfect. If you want to take advantage of that and get a $90 bonus only for experienced traders, also go down to the pinned comment, click this link, put in your email address, your password, make your own account, and after 24 seconds you have it, and you can get, with very easy to understand deposit instructions here, $90 completely for free. So that being said, DaVinci, you have to wrap it up, but there is some meetup or so going on. Do you want to cover some details about that maybe?
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to be in Miami next week. On the 19th, I'm going to have a meetup at the TGI Fridays in Miami Beach. It's at 7 o'clock. I'm going to be giving you the address so you can put it in the comment section below. And yeah, check that out. If you're in Miami next week, please, I'd like to meet up with you and talk crypto. We can talk about anything. I mean, it's a very casual conversation. You can ask me anything.
Yes, and usually I don't want to put pressure on you. I know that very often DaVinci buys you a drink. So go there, have a nice talk with him. It's amazing to talk with him in person. Every single person who did it was surprised how cool he actually is, even in person. So make sure you go there. It's always very nice. And it's cool that you take your time to talk with your followers, DaVinci, for sure. So yeah, we will do the same. I'm gonna fly to Thailand in 10 hours or so. It's insane. And yeah, if someone is nearby Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya, whatever, anywhere there in Thailand, just yeah, hit us up on Telegram. The link is given down below, and maybe we can have a cold one there as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks for everyone here joining our channel. Look at this, our last videos, they all got like 1,500 or 2,000 likes. Thank you so much. We really appreciate that. And that being said, very quickly, only one poll here. Guys, click this poll and let us know if Ethereum is going to break out in the next few weeks or month. Yes or no. Make your own rational decision and let us know. Every answer is accepted actually, because yeah, maybe you have some reasons to share in the comment section why this might not be the case, and that would be very interesting to know. So thank you so much, DaVinci. Any last words to share before we wrap up today's episode?
Yeah, always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.